Kitsilano Beach, often referred to as Kit's Beach, is one of Vancouver's most popular and iconic beaches, located on the north edge of the Kitsilano neighborhood. This urban beach offers a stunning blend of natural beauty and recreational facilities, making it a favored destination for both locals and tourists. Scenery and atmosphere. Kitsilano Beach boasts picturesque views of the North Shore Mountains and the downtown Vancouver skyline, providing a breathtaking backdrop for beachgoers. The sandy shoreline is complemented by lush green spaces and a well-maintained park, creating a perfect balance between urban and natural environments. The beach's vibrant and lively atmosphere is enhanced by the diverse crowd, ranging from families and fitness enthusiasts to sunbathers and volleyball players. Activities and amenities. Kit's Beach is renowned for its extensive range of activities and amenities. The expansive sandy area is ideal for sunbathing, building sandcastles, or simply relaxing by the water. The beach features a designated swimming area, with lifeguards on duty during peak times, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for swimmers of all ages. For those looking to stay active, Kitsilano Beach offers numerous sports facilities, including tennis and basketball courts, as well as designated areas for beach volleyball. The adjacent Kitsilano Pool, a large outdoor saltwater pool, is a major attraction, providing a unique swimming experience with stunning ocean views. Dining and entertainment. Food options at Kitsilano Beach are plentiful, ranging from casual beachside concessions to upscale dining. Local food trucks and cafes offer a variety of snacks and beverages, perfect for a quick refreshment after a swim. For a more formal dining experience, several nearby restaurants and bars serve delicious meals with a view, making it an excellent spot for a leisurely lunch or a sunset dinner. Community and events. Kitsilano Beach is not just a place for individual relaxation, it also serves as a hub for community events and activities. Throughout the year, the beach hosts various festivals, outdoor concerts, and cultural events, adding to its lively and inclusive atmosphere. The beach's spacious grassy areas are often used for picnics, yoga classes, and group gatherings, fostering a strong sense of community among visitors. Accessibility and transportation. Kitsilano Beach is easily accessible by public transportation, bike, or car. The area is well connected by bus routes, and ample bike racks and parking spaces are available for those traveling by bicycle or car. The beach is also part of Vancouver's extensive seawall, a scenic pathway that attracts walkers, joggers, and cyclists, making it a convenient stop for anyone exploring the city's waterfront. In summary, Kitsilano Beach is a quintessential Vancouver destination that offers a perfect blend of relaxation, recreation, and community spirit. Its stunning views, diverse activities, and welcoming atmosphere make it a must-visit spot for anyone looking to experience the best of what Vancouver has to offer.
Bye.